back to Daytime Live. Now, it's the new year, and we wanted to chat about some fashion and lifestyle trends that, let's be honest, it needs to be left in 2023. All right, so first of all, we want to talk about this thing that I keep seeing all over the place. Men in tight shorts or tight pants. What do we think? Is that something that you think we should leave in 2023, or you know when you go to a dancehall party, not just Jamaica, but you look on it, look there. Okay, no, that can stay. Yeah. So I think it depends on the man wearing what. Now this gentleman here in these shorts, it's a little on the short side, so it could be a little longer. However, producer, we don't have his face because hello. Anywho, what about the tight pants? What do you think? Just answer the question and stop giving me the look there. What do you think? Answer the question. Let me see how tight your pants be. Let me see. Let me see now. What is it?
Me and you are
just
going to be on national TV.
I want to see.
Talking about men in tight shorts.
Well, it's a trend.
I should have an opinion.
You should have. Okay, let me have an opinion on your pants.
Full stop.
Exclamation. Let me have an opinion on. Let me see your pants.
You can't see my pants.
Just pants. All right. Okay. What about? All right. I have an opinion on this now. Audience.
The baby hair trend.
The baby hair trend. Oh, I heard 2 thumbs down. The men are like, no.
The baby hair.
No.
Because guess what happened?
Okay.
So for the women who naturally have
that's
baby
what they said
hair,
in the audience, not me.
So for the women who naturally have baby hair,
which is nobody.
Fine, we know that.
Nobody.
But there are some people that them. No man, sometimes.
I feel like she put on some baby hair.
All right, see this now?
Like a what?
See this now?
I don't think that's her natural baby hair.
She's trying to manufacture some baby hair.
Yeah.
Come back your hair, miss. Catch it up.
Yeah, get some like a gel, some like a blue, what do you call it? The blue
that's not baby
oil,
hair.
And just
that's about big grown-up person here, right there, so. That hair they are work.
So you're saying if you're not a baby.
That hair is employed.
It's employed. Right there. It's not a baby. It's got a job.
That depend.
Got a job.
That got a job that pays bills. No, make it.
Okay. I think as well. I'm glad someone over my wig today with a baby hair, so they can't laugh off of me because I have been known to entertain the baby hair.
The next one.
The next one. Zoom in. Super long. And I think our producer did this for me because she said super long, thick lashes. Thank you. Mine look nice and it don't tick. It don't tick and it don't super long. So, what do we think? Oh, I think. Ooh. Ooh.
Like say.
Ooh.
So she sleep for like 18 hours a day.
Because she can't open her eye?
When I them tired, them just drop her. Just drop her. Hello, miss, you awake? Yes, I'm awake.
No, but that must be
Open
hard.
your eyes, them tired.
No, the top and the bottom though.
Them tired, of course.
Of course. I have never done that.
This girl blink, and that's all she did.
Can you
blink,
stop?
and that was it.
And she couldn't open again.
They must fall up so.
And they got tangled. You had to detangle the lashes. Top, bottom.
Top. Something I wrote night so.
To open it out like that.
Open it.
That's funny. That's funny. But
when breeze catch them.
I've seen that when I'm in the car and it's like
See that?
You know. Or I've seen one where they're on the boat, giving it all sexy and gorgeous, and it's like, it's really funny. But I am not a fan of the super long. I get it though, ladies, because it does make you feel very feminine and kind of like, But I think we have to. A
woman don't make you feel feminine?
Well, apparently that's not sufficient nowadays. Anyway, I feel like sometimes when it's too thick, it can be. It looks a lot.
Too thick?
Too thick. So it said thick lashes on there. It said super long and super thick. So these, for example, they're really thin. What is wrong with you today?
You said thick.
It's 20. So. All right. I've seen Dupton in a few of these.
So next, Crocs.
Crocs. I know you have 3 people.
All right. So.
You've seen you in them.
Some of the designs can go. Some of the ones.
Ooh.
The ones you've seen me in.
Or because you United for stay?
No. But the style that I
Yeah.
have, the style, I love that one.
Right.
But there are some other designs that are, what?
Yeah.
Makes me want to look like it, if them supposed to put it on a truck. They look like truck tires. Like, I'm like, what?
Got you.
What is this?
I heard a man say, a friend of my ex said to me that he would never date a woman who wore Crocs because it just...
All right, so this design? No.
It just spoke to
Not
how lazy she is and how she didn't take life seriously.
What?
And he said, if she wore Crocs,
Yeah.
it shows that she's not really into the work that you'd have to put into a relationship because of her choice of footwear in the Crocs. I swear! I was like, woo!
I think he was speaking
That's
about
a
her
lot.
feet. Something wrong with her feet.
No,
She got one of them toes. Huh?
no, maybe. But I
No, but
was
Crocs,
like,
you're mad. Not these designs, but I have some Crocs. You know, I need a couple more pairs.
I will say Crocs are the most comfortable shoes. I have the Crocs slippers, you know, the one that's... I have enough Crocs, to be honest. And I love them, they're comfy.
There are three things.
But I don't wear my Crocs outside of the house unless I'm running to
What?
the supermarket.
Listen,
Supermarket or...
I can dress up my Crocs.
Don't.
Listen to me.
Y'all go to events and put on Crocs?
There are three
Or you going to
things-
events and
there
put on
are
Crocs?
three things that I've experienced that are more comfortable.
You all
with
go
my
all white
Crocs.
party and wear Crocs?
White Crocs? Listen to me. There are three things I've experienced that are more comfortable than my Crocs. My bed,
Right,
my couch,
right.
and let's just go to the next one.
All right. Comfortable?
Comfortable!
Okay! Coming in hot.
Comfortable.
All right. Now here, talking about comfort or lack thereof. What about events that go on past 2 a.m.? Yo, if
it's
COVID
good.
never teach... No, negative. COVID taught all of us a very valuable lesson. It taught us that parties can start at a 6,
Early.
7, 8 o'clock
Yeah.
and done at a 12.
11, 12.
11, 12. We don't need...
Because
I wake up 11:30 and go a party.
7 to 12 is 5 hours.
Yeah, we're good, man.
That's fine.
Yeah.
No, but here what happened.
Beat the
It's
traffic.
So like retro events, I love retro events.
I love retro events.
And they start like 10, 11. By 2 o'clock in the morning.
We're tired, you know?
No!
No.
2 o'clock, you just reach the 90s.
Because you see, retro events, you know, so the songs them are so good that you're bogle for your life from 7 o'clock. So by the time you get to 12 o'clock, you're like, my back,
Why
my
do
leg.
people keep doing that?
Okay, there's no gun finger and bogle, it's just...
No, it's not the gun finger, that's this.
Yeah.
Do you know that the creator of the dance never did that?
I do know exactly what you did being a dancer myself and
Right.
studied the
So
dancehall
what is
genre.
this? What is this?
You want me to lean back and put my back in it on the chair and me drop off of the chair?
No,
You gonna laugh off
but
of
he
me?
never did this.
You gonna laugh off of me, me drop? You gonna pick me up?
If you fall, if I'm going to laugh,
You're gonna laugh.
are you asking me this? Are you?
You see what?
Yeah.
You're laughing thinking about it. You just... We said Michael Jackson what?
Yeah, but events can start early.
see
though.
there?
They can start early.
On that note, right, I'm just gonna bogle of the other for the day. Daytime, I'll be right back with a music video, not from Bogle, but a music video from Busy Signal. You don't wanna miss it, we'll soon come.
When you move, you're making so much noise.
Right?